What's up, guys? Cameron, Tech Support Supervisor with FuelTech USA. Today we have Phillip Weaver and his badass, what year Camaro is this?
68.
68 Camaro on the dyno today. Obviously it's a roots blown, mechanically injected, big block Chevy. Made some big numbers on the dyno today. Originally they came to the dyno to just kind of sort the car out and get it ready for them to go down the track. So why don't you kind of just give us a rundown of how your past 2 days were, because you guys got here yesterday and we worked on it a little bit, right?
When we got here, we couldn't get it to fire. We had crank signal problems, and we got here, we unloaded. Within 30 minutes, the guys got it running. Kind of went through everything, fixed a couple things. This morning, they got it hooked up to the dyno and we started making pulls. Jumped 700 horsepower from the first pull to the second pull, and then started creeping up from there.
So, I mean, it made pretty big numbers. Do you want to share numbers today, or?
Yeah, sure.
So we made roughly 2,400 horsepower today. Unfortunately, we had an issue with the rear end, which, you know, I know you guys have a spare, so I think you guys are going right to the racetrack after this. But you know, 2,400 horsepower, and this just goes to show that you can run a mechanical injection system or a carburetor or anything like that with our systems. We can still control all that stuff. In this case, we were doing all the ignition controls and everything, and the whole day went pretty smoothly. And I think you guys had a good time. I had a good time.
Oh yeah, it's a good time.
So
well worth it.
You heard it right from him. He says well worth it. So I would challenge all of you guys to bring your cars to the dyno here so we can get you straightened out and you know, get you ready to go down the track. This is the safest environment for us to test your car, make sure that everything works, that it shifts, all that kind of stuff. We always have good traction here. You're bolted to the dyno, so there's no issues with tire speed or anything like that. And we'll see you guys next time.